Tell us about your experience of the AI for Good Innovation Factory. How was it?
Yeah, it was really fantastic, actually. So we had our first pitch in May. So, we were quite at a different stage in our journey. And even then, it was great to be on stage and then meet, most importantly, other companies. Sometimes when you're a startup, you're so focused on what you're doing yourself that you don't really have time to look at what's going on around. And it's really great to see all these companies doing fantastic work using AI for good and for positive purposes. And of course, the final experience at the final, getting all the questions from the judges, being challenged and winning was really a great win for the team. So overall, it was a fantastic experience.
And the fact that you are winners of the AI for Good Innovation Factory, do you think that it will help you in this endeavor? Will it give you a certain push?
Of course, I mean, it already gave us a push when we won and taking part of those pitches with so many people attending. It definitely helps with talent attraction. I'm sure we'll talk about it a bit later, but one of the big problems in AI is being able to attract this very unique and still rare talent to these types of problems instead of maybe going to very large companies. And so activities like this and forums like this, and of course winning, is very helpful in that for that specifically.
Which was quite interesting. It's not your standard startup event where you have sort of the startup bubble, you have investors and other startup, but you have a whole different world of people working in different cities, even on country level. This was quite an interesting exchange also. It's far away than the usual sphere of startup conferences. And then, of course, the final was the cherry, and I was very happy actually to see sort of us being named next to the other four champions and winners. Was quite very good acknowledgement for us, and we were happy to be there.
Well, we obviously see that it's really great seeing that other companies are providing solutions related to the AI in different scopes and fields, and it's great to learn from them and seeing that we're moving forward, improving a new society, taking into consideration the SDGs, and that taking the AI for good is one of the things that we are moving on.
We made a lot of connections, a lot of very good connections, and especially exactly like Karim said, not the typical, investors that you meet at other events, but it was quite a broad spectrum that you bring together with your events. And it was very interesting because you need people from many different industries that are not so easy to meet for us.
Okay, well, fantastic. Well, a big thank you to you and to all of you actually for answering our questions today. Congratulations and well done. And of course, best wishes for the future.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, and congrats everyone.